Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss how you can run your first PHP program. So download the PHP XAMPP server installer from the XAMPP official website, install it and then open XAMPP control panel, and when you click on the XAMPP control panel you can see this. So just start the server, Apache and MySQL, just start these servers. And after starting, minimize it and then go to the C drive and then XAMPP folder, and here you can see the htdocs folder, and create a new folder. For example, I have created my website, and right click and open with code. So when you open it with code, you can see this folder in your Visual Studio Code. Go to the new file and create new file. So name of the file is index.php, and then create a HTML page, create boilerplate, press enter, and you can write PHP code here, and here I will write echo, let's say first program of PHP. Save it, go to the browser and type localhost, and if you get this message XAMPP, it means your Apache server is running. So go to the localhost, and here after slash you will type your folder in which you are working. See, I have created a folder, my website. So simply type localhost / my website and hit enter, and you can see the output first program of PHP on your screen. Now let me add some HTML code here. So see my website, just save it and go to the browser and refresh it. You can see your PHP code is running. Very simple. And suppose you create a new PHP file here. For example, let's say file name is first.php, and create a boilerplate, hit enter, and here I will copy this code and paste it here, save it, and here I will write, let's say PHP practice, save it, go to the browser, and you can see now in this folder, my website folder, there are two PHP files, first and index. So index.php is the file which you don't need to specify here. By default it opens the index.php file. And now what if you want to open this file first.php, you simply write /first.php, and you can see this output PHP practice, because I have written PHP practice here. And you can change the header tag also. Go to the refresh, and you can see this way you can create a first PHP program. It's very simple. Just create a folder in the htdocs folder, and you can open this folder in Visual Studio Code. And if you don't have Visual Studio Code in your system, simply you can create a notepad file and then save that file as a PHP file, and go to the browser and simply enter this path. It's very simple. This way you can create PHP programs. So in the coming lectures I will explain more concepts of the PHP. Thank you for watching.